Hello and welcome back. Today's video I'm going to address an issue related to the water volume on Breville Barista Express. Now I'm going to do a double shot extraction and see what happens and see if your machine is also doing the same thing. This is 3-ounce cup and it's supposed to take like 25 seconds, mostly 30 seconds, not more than that, and it's supposed to stop automatically. That's what happens when you press the double cup button. Let's see what happens. Now normally I get 3 ounces of water, not more than that. But it seems it's overflowing. It's not stopping. It's keep on going. Are you facing the same issue where the machine is not at all stopping? Now I posted a video a few weeks ago regarding how to reset the water volume or the issue with the low pressure. It could be many things related to that. All you have to do is reset the water volume. Now in that video I showed you how to reset water volume. That is, for the single cup it should bring around 1 ounce of espresso, and in the double shot it should bring 2 ounces of espresso. It should be around that range. When you dispense the water without the espresso or portafilter, it brings out 3 ounces for the double cup espresso. Now someone named Salt Review, I don't know his real name, he mentioned, he wrote a comment in my other video saying that when he pressed the double cup button, around 6 ounces of water, hot water comes out, or more than that. It's equal to unstoppable. The water flow doesn't stop. I've seen another platform where people complain that they press single or double cup button and the water won't stop automatically. Now you could do the manual option. That's another workaround where you press one of these buttons, single or double, and count the seconds. For double espresso shot you count 20 seconds or to 25 seconds and then press again to stop. So you could do the manual method, and the other method is to do the program mode where you can program by the volume or by the time of the extraction. So that's another method. But for those guys, when they press single or double espresso shot button, the water won't stop flowing. What could be the issue? I'll show you a fix that worked for many, and today's video is about that. Now in order to do that, if your machine is under warranty, I would strongly recommend not to open this machine, because you need to open the machine in order to do the fix. So if it is not under warranty, you could follow the steps that I'm going to explain now. If it is under warranty, I strongly suggest to call Breville. They will give you guideline on how to fix it. So let's begin. Let's have a closer look at the issue and the possible solution. Now the first thing is you need to open the Breville Barista Express machine. Now I have another video where I explained step by step on how to open a Breville Barista Express machine for repair. I will leave the link in the description below. You could always refer to that, but I'll go through it quickly. First thing is remove the grinder, the hopper, the top portion, and then there are a few screws that you need to open, one underneath here, and take out the tamper, and there is another screw here. You need to remove those two at the front and then turn around the machine. And there are 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove those 5. Let me show you a close-up here. There's another one. There is one right here. There's a rubber cap. You need to open it with something sharp. It will pop out, and then there's a screw here. Now for the second generation BES 870XL, you will find 2 more of those on the sides here. Now this particular model I have is the first generation BES 870XL Breville Barista Express. In this case there are 2 more screws underneath. You need to lay the machine on the side, and there is a screw here and here, and that's when you'll be able to open the clip. There are two clips on the side, one here, and the other one on the top and bottom. So you need to really pull it hard to open these clips, and then you can take out this back portion, and then you'll be able to access what is inside. So let me show you a close-up of what exactly or possibly the problem is. So this is the top view, and here you need to find the flow meter. Now flow meter is right here, the white circle or the disc type material, that is the flow meter and the sensor there. Now let me show you a close-up. I'm sure you're able to spot it there. Now there is a pipe which is disconnected. This portion is connected to your water tank, and that's where the water flows into this flow meter, and it measures whatever. It has a sensor, and then it pushes the water through this white pipe into the pump. This is the pump, and this is the overpressure valve into the boiler. What you see inside that silver thing is the boiler. Now we are interested in the flow meter, because flow meter is the one that decides when you press the 1 cup button, it sends a signal through this cable, and it knows that it should dispense 1 to 1.5 ounce of water, so that we get 1 ounce of espresso. Or when you press the double cup button, it will trigger saying we need 3 ounces of liquid, so that at least 2.5 ounce of espresso comes out. So this flow meter decides. Now if this flow meter is defective, that's when you get the issue with the water flow, which doesn't stop in the automatic mode. So now I'm going to explain the possible solution on how to fix this issue. Now to replace that is expensive. Sometimes the parts are not available. So the workaround, what you could try is remove this plug, the sensor, remove it, and then you'll see 3 connection. These 3 cables are connected here to the sensor there. Make sure these 3 cables are not loose. That's the first thing you need to check. Make sure these are not disconnected from the plastic thing here. And the next thing is to disconnect this session. Let me remove this. There's so many distractions. There's so many cables there. Remove the whole thing. Unplug it. It's sitting on 3 pins, so you just unhook it. You need to press somewhere at the bottom and then push it up. It should come out easy. And then make sure that silver color portion, those 3 where it connects to the pin, take something sharp and try to clean up that end. There could be some rust, something built up there. So use a brush and clean it. If you find some rust, then use something sharp and clean up the end there, so that you get a proper connection to those 3 spokes there. Now checking this cable and ensuring that the connection is good, that's the very first thing you could do, and a very simple solution. All of you can do that. And if it still doesn't work, that's when you need to think of changing the flow meter and the sensor. Now I can assure you that many has sorted out this flow issue, the water flow issue, by just cleaning up this cable, the end of the cable here, end of the connector here. So why don't you try it? If you're a handyman, just open it and clean up this cable, ensure that all cables are connected. That's all you need to do. So good luck to those who are trying to fix this issue. Now, like I mentioned earlier, before even you open this machine, first thing is to reset the water volume. I have a video about how to reset. I'll leave the link in the description below. Do watch that. First thing is reset the water volume. After resetting the machine, you need to unplug from the wall completely the cable from the wall, the power cable from the wall for at least a minute or 2, and then connect it back. Sometimes it will get resolved on its own. If you have tried those 2 methods, then something wrong with the flow meter and the sensor there. So you could try this method and try this fix. So if it works, do let me know and write in the comments below. I'm not showing you how to clean this because this is a working machine. I don't want to mess it up. So sorry about that, or else I could have shown you how to clean it. So give it a try and let me know in the comments below. And if you don't want to repair at all, you could still use the machine in manual mode or program mode. It will still work. It will still give you a good espresso shot without this. Anyway, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll be posting more videos related to coffee and other products. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would really appreciate that, and that helps me to grow. And thank you guys. See you on the next video, and bye.